Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to be checking out the wireless parking sensor from FenSens. I've been using this for a couple of days now, and so far I am quite impressed with this product. So pretty much this is what you get. This is the package that they will send you. It comes with one license plate inside. It's got a quick launch button. You've got an anti-theft tools so that the theft can't steal this license plate. It comes with a magnetic phone mount, a double AA battery, which should last you roughly around 5 months, and it is compatible with iOS and Android devices. So this is the second one that they sent out to me. It only comes with one license plate. Like I said, if you do decide to get another license plate, it will only cost you $50 USD instead of, I don't know the pricing right now. I think it's $150 on this, the pricing. I have to double check, and I'll just put it on the screen here for the actual pricing. But anyways, let's do a quick unboxing and show you guys what you get inside the box. And then from there, on the next video, we'll go outside and actually do a demonstration and see if this thing is if it's accurate or not. So let's open this up. All right. Let me just change something here, guys. Just hold on. Okay. You've got your quick instruction manual here. So just scan that to download the app. You got the 4 screws, the anti-screws to screw it on your car, and you've got a quick launch button there. The one here in the picture, they installed it on the steering wheel, but to be honest, when I installed it on the steering wheel, I find it kind of more of distraction, especially when I'm turning. My hands always hits the quick launch button, so I placed it on my e-brake instead, the e-brake handle. So it's up to you guys where you want to replace it, but I just find it more useful or helpful for me when I place this on my e-brake handle instead of the steering wheel. And of course, you got your instruction manual right there. All right, and there you go. There is the stuff, guys. So off the bat, this is the license plate that you will mount on your car. You got 2 sensors over here. Let me just move this on the side for now. You got 2 sensors right there. They're roughly around almost an inch thick. This thing's made of plastic, and right here in the middle, this is where you install your battery. It takes 2 AA batteries, which comes with it, which is really good. You just have to look for it. It's right here. It comes with the 2 AA batteries. And this is your screw mount right here. You just screw it in there. There's 4, and it should fit your standard American license plate. For some reason, my Canadian license plate, for some reason, the top part is a bit too big. So I noticed the white part of my license plate is not really fully covered. I wish they have this a little bit slightly, just maybe half an inch or less than that, a little bit taller, so that my license plate is fully covered. Okay, so besides the license plate, let's see what else we have here. Here is your smartphone mount. So this one here, you pretty much just stick this on your back of your smartphone, and this thing goes to your air vent, and it is magnetic. So right there, you've got the quick launch button, which is, oh, hold on, which is very, very handy. Without this quick launch button, this product is useless, guys. Trust me on this. Okay. You've got the tools and the screws over here. So I'll show you guys the screw here. It's got a special groove at the end here that you need a special Allen key to screw it in, as you can see right there. And here is the Allen key. All right, so that's pretty much it, what you get inside the box. Now we're gonna go outside, install this, and then we'll do a quick demonstration just to show you how accurate and convenient this parking sensor is. All right guys, so I'll show you my setup. I got my thing set up here. So as you can see right there, there is my quick launch button. I attached it on my e-brake handle instead of being on the steering wheel. And for my phone, I'm using my Note 8 attached to my personal car mount here. So the reason why I attached it here on the on the emergency brake instead of the steering wheel is because whenever I turn my wheel, the quick launch gets in the way and it's just annoying, guys. So that is the reason why I mounted it over here. So a quick little demonstration how this quick launch works. All you have to do is just pretty much tap the button right here. Let me just give you guys a quick example. You just have to tap it and it will automatically open the app by itself. So here we go, 1, 2, 3. And boom, it just opens by itself. If I press it again, it will automatically closes the app. So that's how convenient this quick launch is. All right, so just a little quick demonstration here. As you can see, all the sensors are working. Sometimes the front sensor is quite buggy. I noticed that the right sensors sometimes is detecting something there, which there is nothing, but for some reason it is actually working on this review, which is kind of weird, guys, because every time, oh, see, as you can see right there, it does fluctuate for some reason. I have no idea. It could be just some technical problem. It does have the app does have an upgrade, but whenever I try to upgrade it, it's just showing some error. So it could be just a technical app error or technical problem that's causing the sensor to detect something there, but there's nothing. But anyways, for some, like I said, for some odd reason, the front sensor, the right one, is actually working now. And let's activate that again. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. Oh, as you can see right there, it's fluctuating. It does get worse, guys. It goes all the way down to the orange part there, which is quite weird. But anyways, that's how the layout looks like. We're gonna go find a car, and we're gonna try to park our car and see how accurate this sensor really is. So let's go. All right, so we've got a couple of cars here. We're gonna park right behind that Honda Civic right there, the black one. So I'm gonna activate my sensor. There you go. And see how accurate this thing really is. Okay, so usually I go up to the orange part. It gives me pretty much good distance between my car and the other car. So we'll see how it goes. We are yellow and now we're on orange. There you go, orange. Okay, so let's go outside, check it out, and see how far we really are. Okay, so distance-wise, that's how far we are right there. Pretty good distance. Go all the way back here. You will see how far we really are. Okay, so now let's try to go all the way to the red part and see the distance between my car and the other car if we go all the way to the red. Okay, there we go. Let's go check it out again. Okay, so that is the distance between my car if you go all the way to the red part. So you still have pretty good distance there. Okay. So the sensor is pretty accurate, guys. Really accurate. Even though it is connected on Bluetooth, it does pick it up pretty good. So as you can see right there, you could also silence it if you want to. And then you've got other settings here as well. Hold on. You do have other settings here if you want to change or put vibration or notification. And you've got the sound volume and all the other good stuff here. For updates, for some reason, whenever I try to update the app, it just crashes on me. It just won't let me update. So that's that. All right, so that's what it looks like from the front. As you can see, the license plate on the top, you can still see it. I wish they got it a little bit longer here, the plate, so that it could cover. But looking from the front and side, it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bulky or thick or anything like that. It just blends in perfectly fine on my car here. Let's go from far away. Okay, let's go check out the back now. Okay, so here is the back view. Okay, there it is. Blends in perfectly fine. So the other complaint that I have is the registration date here. It looks like it's somewhat covering it. I wish they got it, this part here trimmed a little bit so that we could see the date for the registration. I hope I don't get pulled over by the cops with this. And also, again, the license plate here is sticking out. I wish they had it a little bit longer so that's fully covered. But other than that, guys, it looks good. It blends well in my car. And let's see on the side view here again. So there it is, guys. All right, so all in all, guys, this product is pretty amazing. It does what it does. It does what it's supposed to do. And as you can see here, this is the complaint that I have. My other complaint is the sensor right here on the right. For some reason, it seems like it's detecting something there. Even though I cleaned it up, the debris or whatever, it still acts up like that. But don't worry, guys, you do have a 1-year warranty on this. So if you are experiencing like what I'm experiencing right now, you could always bring it back, return it, get a refund or get it exchanged. And yeah, so there you go. This product is amazing. It is easy to install. You save lots of money and it's pretty accurate as you saw from the video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you again for watching my video. I'll put the links on the description down below. And again, if you have any other comments or anything like that, just leave me a comment down below and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So once again, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.